second grade. We are doing owls because of Charlie Harper. He's mostly known for his birds, but love of nature. And what I wanted you to see is this is, I was doing this today with Mrs. Alexander's, and I wanted to go ahead and try to make a video. Hopefully you can hear me because I'm not used to doing it this far away. But the first thing we're going to do, we've already practiced the videos. You guys have done great. Draw along with the videos for making an owl. But you're going to start off and you're going to make a little book, and we're going to do sketches. And you're going to fold your paper in half, and I'm going to do it up here on the board with you. And if you look at the picture, this is one of Charlie Harper's pictures from his video, and I'm going to talk to you about how to make this owl. Like I said, we'll go through this. But for the project, after you've made your different shapes owl, see how this one kind of looks like a vase, starts with a Y, has an ice cream cone on the top we talked about. This one is a teardrop shape. And then this one we did with the Kids for Hub, a safe art site to go on. And you have, like I said, we do this together. So then once you decide, and you can draw an owl another way if you already know how you draw owls and you want to do something different. So then after you have your book of sketches, then you choose, and I picked one from somebody's, then you choose the one that you like the best and you draw a plan out. And so after you've drawn your sketchbook like we just did, we've already done the videos, then you draw your plan out. Maybe you have a branch, you have a moon, we talked about balance, plan it out, because after that you're going to use origami paper. Now this is my project. You can use any color you want for your background. I chose black, it's at night. Now I talked to the class before about how I really don't like this, my beak, because you can't see it unless you get really close. There's not much of a contrast between the white. And the paper that you're going to use, see how that's newspaper and the rest of it's origami. Here's the real picture of the owl we've been talking about looking at and drawing. So as a table, you will get origami paper, okay? And this is kind of a little expensive paper, and I love to use it because it's really fine and the colors are really bright, but please don't waste it. What that means is if you take a piece of paper, and this is my box of goodies, and somebody had used mine to make, see how they put all those little pieces? And they put them right in the center, and they wasted all this piece of paper. All they had to do, all those little pieces could go right here. Because see, this box is going to continue to be for the blue table. And everybody's going to be using origami to make different projects. So I also have little stencils. If you want to have an oval, if you can't draw very well, that's fine. If you have circles, you can do circles. But you're going to want to draw, like here's more paper that I have. You're going to choose what you want, and you're going to draw on the back. In pencil, light, you don't want it really dark. Use the edge as you can. Remember, nibble, nibble, nibble. Okay, move the paper, nibble, nibble, nibble. So then you get a nice fine edge, okay, when you're cutting. And so the biggest part of this project is having a plan, which we talked about. Plan out, oh, here's another owl. Plan out what you want after you've done your sketchbook. Then you're going to choose your paper. Don't waste your paper, and we're all going to be sharing the origami paper, and then you have to cut very carefully, draw on the back side, cut it from the back, turn over, glue it, and then I wasn't done with this. You know, you could put a little nest in here if you want to put a nest. If you want to put another owl, you can do that. And the biggest part, like I said, is cutting and gluing. I cannot wait to see how these turn out.